we came here. Then we went to the Sewer Straft Antique Mall, and you were like dead tired. Now, Duke's is an antique mall that is in Lexington, Virginia, which is about 30 minutes south of Stanton and about 45 minutes away from the Factory Antique Mall. Been here a few times, but I don't come as often as I should. It's been owned by the same guy, Duke, for years, and usually there's a kitty running around on the ground somewhere.
There he is right there.
Yep.
Is that our cat?
I hope not. Our cat's getting right now. Do you remember when we came here?
I found that Stanton War picture
Yes.
that took like
The
8
band
months
picture.
8 months to sell.
The Stanton band picture, which was so cool. I'm surprised it took as long as it did to sell. That was earlier on when we were dating. He went to an auction with me, which was a total dud. We'll just pick these couple other places on the way back home. And we came here, then we went to the Sewer Straft Antique Mall, and you were like dead tired when it was all done. That's when I knew he was a keeper, and that's probably when he was like, what am I getting myself into?
That was my chance to get out.
That was your chance to get out.
Now she just sucked me in.
All right, you ready to go pick?
Yeah, let's do it. Oh no, my seatbelt. That would have been smart.
So anytime in the past when we've visited Duke's, we've started way down here at the opposite end of the entrance and then gone up and down the aisles. There's a lot of cool stuff stuffed back in here. Look at this. Lexington Oak Marble Top All Solid $3.50.
That's it?
I know. That's what I was thinking. Well, it looks like maybe this is sold separate.
Oh yeah, but still.
Why are they selling it?
600?
Well, it's two different pieces. It is solid marble though. Horse print for $45. Oh, apparently this isn't a set, but they look like a set. Together sold for $69. Probably some old restaurant wear. Soup bowl for $2.99. St. Clair oil painting for $30.
I just broke the #1 rule with thrift shopping.
Don't put hats on, you crazy person.
I need to go to the
You probably
doctor.
got lice from the
I need to go to the
1960s. Just an old helmet for $35. Plus lice, probably. I like the motif and the colors. I think that's for the pair, 28. Yeah, it's for the pair. Ooh, those are cool. I think they're coming back. Does it say Sportsmaster on it?
Sportsman Cooler Rare 50.
50. What's the inside look like?
Alright, not bad.
I think they're starting to make vintage looking coolers just with today's technology.
Oh yeah, like all the igloo thing.
Mid-century highball original box. The company is Libby, it looks like. These are beautiful for $32. Ooh. Brass pheasant for $22. So there's two of them. $22 for the pair. Wonder what's on this cabinet. Antique step back cupboard for $7.25. It's two pieces. This is a still life painting for $48. That's actually a really nice piece. I love the bowl and how they had the tile done in the back. Here's the signature. You think about it. Looks like an old house print for $35. I literally just sold the butterfly tray that was in my booth. And it looks like this is a big tray and 4 little butterfly trays for $5. I'm not seeing the electric chair that used to be here. You remember that?
Was it over here in this
Yeah, it was. Victoria would be all over this table. And it's got the smoky glass up top. 2-tiered brass table, $6.50. Really short though. What would you say? Like
yeah, like
2.5, 3 feet off the ground?
2.5.
Yeah. I thought it was a case at first. I didn't even notice that it was a coffee table. Vintage glass coffee table, $3.25. This is a great mid-century booth. It's a nice piece too. For $5.25. This chair pair.
We need that for the basement.
What, this?
Yeah.
This couch? Yeah. How much are you willing to splurge on a basement couch? $7.50?
Nope. Nope.
No. More mid-century. More awesome mid-century. Set of 2 for $12 on these. Smoke glass top 1970s mid-century table for $1,500 with a folding base. I saw this bench from over there. Mid-century vintage slate coffee table for $275. Ooh, $350 on this dresser. It's It's a nice piece. Has similar qualities to that one that was in the thrift store. And I just sold a similar one of these too. Not exactly the same, but very similar. $1,050. Sewing Factory stand for $89. It's got the pedals. There's a few chairs in here. Is it both of them for $289? Fabric on the seats. What's that? Oh, a plant stand? For $12? It's like upside down maybe? Or maybe that's the way it's supposed to go and it's supposed to hold the pot up top.
Sits up top. Right?
Yeah, I think that's probably correct. I like this clock a lot, 25, but this one's even cooler for 49. Also found these wallpaper tables. I don't see a price anywhere. Hard to find. I almost never find wallpaper tables that are actually for sale. They're always just display.
Piloting ships.
That looks like something that you could just get lost in.
Only had a boat.
Everybody says that, and then they get a boat, and then they think, if only I didn't have a boat.
Only my friends had a boat.
I think it's 70. Yeah, a vintage cast iron food stool. Reminds me of our little bench thing that we got from Luckett's.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like that map right here.
In front of me?
Yeah. Oh, map of Paris. 175. I've had this before.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
1050 on that.
One angel stick missing?
Right there, it's missing. Really cool cheese dish. Victorian era hand-painted cheese dish for $45. It's another butcher block piece for $6.75. It's an interesting vase for $13. $15 on the soda bottle. Great color. That is heavy. I used to not be able to touch these at auction. They used to be so expensive. So cute. 19. Do they have it labeled as anything? No? Just like a little, I don't even know, bird dish. I thought this was nice too. 22. Ah, we found one of these recently in the Sears Straft Antique Mall. What do they have on it here? $17.50. Huh? What'd you find? Turtle paperweights. Oh, those are nice. $10? Just found this little match tin holder, and it's out of Stanton. So it's an old little Stanton, Virginia department store piece for $75. It says Brian's Department Store on it. Is that by the same company that made that cooler that we saw at the beginning?
Yep.
Old flashlight. $4. 30% off everything in this booth. Trifold dresser mirror for $55. Anytime I've had those, they've sold well. This?
Yep.
You had one of these?
Yeah.
Always had those green plastic ones.
My dad probably got it in like 1980. Still uses it.
16. 28. Swan or geese candle holder for 12. Ooh, I really like that. That is awesome. It even has a butterfly wing in it. Gold frame pressed flowers for 40 on the royal blue background. Here's another cheese keeper. Cheese dome is what they have it listed as. For $20, fall flower painted cheese dome. I wonder if there's a stamp on the bottom of it. No stamp, but it's got some really great crazing. I like the other one more, but that one's still pretty good. I really had to dig, but I think I found some ironstone. Yep. Oh yeah. Very similar to that one that I found at the Sears Straft Antique Mall, and I found that one for $3. I think it was just a little smaller, but it was the same shape. Definitely good to get this. Metal and marble stand for $45. Oh, that's more than metal. That's cast iron. These chairs. Very interesting. There's 4 of them, I think. Solid rosewood frames with black leather sling seats and fabric backs. Set of 4 for $600. Yep, they're kind of hidden in here, but there is 4. Oh, what's that back there? Did I not just find this? Listed as green dish for $7. This booth is just chocked full of cool stuff. You got the Staffordshire Spaniels, $3.95 for the pair, possibly. I love this bird print back here, $29.99. Same with this one. Some ironstone platters and dishware. Early ironstone tureen with platter. It has an interesting ironstone piece, $1.95. They have it listed as a rabbit painting. Kind of looks like a print here. It's hard to tell. I love the rabbits on it. They're eating some, looks like lettuce. They have it listed for $1.95. There's a picture of it. That's helpful. Long Oriental runner for $8.95. What about this one? Oh, another really pretty runner for $6.95. The Depression glass-footed eagle bowl for $25. I really like these whenever I find them. There's 2 of them, $5 each. Yes, please. I'll take both of those. I have the exact pair of lamps in my booth right now, but he has them for $3.69 for the pair. Should I
put everything right here.
Right there? Okay.
Oh, it comes apart.
It does?
Yeah.
I didn't even know.
Screws together right there.
Oh.
When I was growing up, our whole living room was like that.
With the cast iron and the marble?
Yeah, marble tables, everything.
Really?
Yeah.
Did the floor start to cave in a little?
Just slightly.
What happened to that electric chair?
It's still here. We
It
just
is?
don't have it up.
Oh, okay. Thank you for letting me come in and shop.
Yes, ma'am.
While we wait to pick up Fisher from the vet, I'm going to show you guys what we found. First, Mike wasn't with me, but I found this pair of Sperry's.
Oh, they're Sperry's?
Yeah, they're
Oh,
exactly your size.
I thought they were the Margaritavilles.
And they're basically brand new. Look at the soles on them.
Look, it's
Like,
literally the same thing. Oh, these are way more comfy than mine. Oh my gosh. I see why people pay more money for these.
You guys saw me grab the butterfly trinket dish holders / tray. I literally just sold the one that I had at my booth. So did decide to pick up the green dish, basically the same one that I found at the thrift store the other day. The other one being as cheap as it was, I'm okay with investing a little more into this so that I can at least have a little bit of a collection going on. The square ironstone serving dish with the amazing stamp. Do I need to say any more?
She loves ironstone.
I do. I don't understand how, well, I guess I do. I just want to see it in action. 2 wire bowls. And then the last thing was just a little $5 arched mirror with the cardboard back. Nothing crazy, just a mirror, and it does have some aging here around the sides. I don't mind that. The last thing was actually the marble top with the cast iron stand. I felt like it was a good purchase and it looks nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you all enjoyed it. Bye. For $69.
How's everything $69?